How to make a stylish leather pen case. First, download the template, which is available from a link in the description. Trace and then cut out the leather. Now I have two thin pieces of leather here, and on the top layer I'm going to punch a hole, a kind of window for the personalized embossed name to go into. If you want to know how I stamp the names, well, I've got another video that shows you how to do that. And the two layers will be glued together. Now I'm going to add the edge binding. So it's a matter of attaching a long thin strip of leather along the edge. It's going to be sewn in and then folded over on itself, as you see. Then I'm going to trim the excess so that it's about the zipper's width, so that it won't show when it's fastened under the zip. So taking a zipper which is about 30 centimeters in length, I'm adding pieces of leather on both ends, which are just folded over and glued in place. Now you can cut the extra lines which are indicated on the template, and then add a wrap over piece just like we did for the edge binding, so that there's no raw edges. Now I can position the zipper. It's going right to the end, as you see here, and I can fasten it in place with some double-sided sticky tape, which is going to make it a lot easier when it's going under the machine. So I'm indicating where I'm going to start the stitching and where I'm going to end the stitching, and then repeat it for the other side. Now that the zipper is fully stitched in, you can pull on the tab so that it pulls it in on itself, so that we're going to get a nice square end to the pen case. So then you can add your 4 speedy rivets, and then the pen case is finished. Thank you for watching. Please check out my channel for more video tutorials and free downloads. Thanks again.